Hello everyone and welcome on this new weekend analysis video from Xtreme Trader. This is Salah speaking. So actually this might be a new series on my channel where I can share with you some setups for the remaining hours on the market for this week. Today is Thursday and the market is actually going to be closed after I think about 34 or 35 hours. So let's see now what we can trade for the remaining days of, for the remaining hours of this week. So let me just, of course, because we're talking about few hours only, I will be moving to the 30 minutes and 50 minutes time frame. So as we can see, I'm happy to say that my signal for the EURUSD has worked perfectly well, as you can see, and the market has reversed indeed as I have expected, and the EURUSD has went in about 81 pips of a profit before falling back again to 0.99660. So where exactly we can place now the next order for the EURUSD? What is the next movement for this pair? I still believe strongly that the pair most likely, now if I move to the 4-hour time frame, the EURUSD is still moving in a bullish momentum. I don't think that the EURUSD is going to be actually bearish. As you can see right now, the candle right now on the 4-hour time frame, this current candle is going to expire within just 30 seconds only. So if the market has actually managed to close with this price action, then I believe we can still continue buying the EURUSD. Going back now to the 30-minute time frame, we need to identify the strongest support and resistance levels. In my opinion, right here, exactly right here, we're having a good support level exactly right there at 0.99595. The EURUSD is actually seems to be ranging on that level, and it might actually reach it after just falling for another 10 pips more. So if I'm not mistaken, buying the EURUSD again at this level of, let me just make sure it's clear for you, my friends. I just need to bring the numbers right here. Okay, so make sure it's visible for everyone. So buy again at 0.99595 is not actually a bad idea. Of course, we have to maintain the same edge of the safe zone and the same take profit level. And by the way, I need to remind everyone that the edge of the safe zone is not a stop loss. Sadly, I see a lot of people actually they are thinking that the edge of the safe zone is their stop loss. Guys, if this was a stop loss, I will just simply write stop loss. My style in Xtreme Trader is purely depending on the price action. And when I say that I want to keep this as a safe zone, meaning actually if we have witnessed any bearish breakout candle appear from this level, then we can actually close the trade sadly in loss. Only if the market has actually exceeded that safe zone with a bearish breakout candle. Otherwise, please keep the trade running, because as we can see, the EURUSD has actually reached the edge of the safe zone, reversed right from it, and then continue the rise. Anyway, buy again from 0.95, sorry, 995 actually, 99595, yes, my mistake, sorry. And let's now see what we can do with the pound USD. Alright, so for the pound USD right now we can see a new candle has appeared on the 4-hour time frame. So now going to the 30-minute time frame, we can also see right here that the market has indeed managed to create a new support. Exactly right here. So my advice for you is wait for the pound USD to fall again for about 19 pips, which means, let's say, the same original entry I have given to you on the midweek analysis video. Just wait for the market to fall to this level. I think this is going to be a perfect entry, because right here we can see that the market has created a strong key support level, which was, by the way, a strong key support level in the past. And as you can see, the market has created right here a false breakout. So this was the real level of the support, which has recently become a resistance, but notice something, that the market didn't keep the position of a resistance for a long time. It was barely for a few minutes only, then instantly the market has made the second bullish breakout, because right here we have the first false breakout, which means we had two bullish breakouts levels from that level of a support. That being said, you can buy the pound USD. I think this is going to be happening even before I post this video. The pound USD just need to fall for about 12 pips more. Anyway, same signal for the pound USD. Let's now move to the AUD USD. Alright, so now for the AUDUSD, again on the 4-hour time frame, we can see that the market is indeed falling all the way after reversing from that level of a resistance, but keep in mind it was also a false breakout. Notice I'm talking fast because I really need to post this video very quickly, so you guys will get benefits of these signals. So let me just, not delaying anymore, let me just tell you something that the market has actually created right here, a very strong key support level at 0.69483. Now, most likely that support is gonna actually keep its position again as a support. Another way to confirm this entry is by simply draw here a support trend line, and as we can see, the market most likely, the market has already, created here a strong support trend line. When we had here a false breakout from that level of a support trend line, and we can see that the market has indeed created a resistance trend line with two single attempts. So after this false breakout from that support trend line, we can expect from the market to actually respect again that level of a support, which means for the AUDUSD, buy again at 0.69483 is not going to be a bad idea, but this time the edge of the safe zone has to be changed, of course, since we are actually moving upward right now. So I think the market is going to continue the rise. Therefore, there goes your new signal for the AUDUSD. The edge of the safe zone is going to be ranging till the lowest level of the support right there at 0.69162, which means the edge of the safe zone still remains to be 32 pips. Meanwhile, the take profit level is going to be again 61 pips because we are buying from that level of a support. That's everything for this pair. Now moving to the USD CAD. All right. Now for the USD CAD, as you can see, the market has actually created right here a false breakout from that level of a support. However, I believe that the USD CAD is still going to continue the fall, but the question is where exactly we can start shorting this pair. Let me just tell you something. If I go to the 1-hour time frame, what we can see right now is actually interesting because we are having here a real level of a resistance exactly right there. Perfect. At 1.29658, we can notice here, my friends, that the market has indeed created a real level of a resistance, then false breakout, and pay attention, the same level of the real resistance has been also respected. Again, has been respected. Then we had, guess what, a false breakout again. I know you might say, but Salah, you are saying fake breakout way too often. I mean, that is too much using the word false breakout. Well, that's the way I see the market, my friends. That's the way I analyze the market. That's how I see it. So now we are having here the real level of the resistance, false breakout. Then now we can expect from the market to rise again for about 25 pips, and that level of a real resistance, in my opinion, most likely gonna be respected. That's gonna be, my friends, a good level to start shorting the USD CAD. Sorry, I don't know what's happening to me. Okay, so sell again USD CAD at 1.29658, and of course we will keep the same safe zone because it's just like 17 pips far away from it, and of course the take profit level is gonna be again 81 pips. I just had to mention that the USD CAD signal has worked perfectly well. AUDUSD signal has also worked very well. Thankfully, all of the signals have been very successful for this week, and I'm very proud of it. Anyway, let's now move to the USDJPY. Okay, USDJPY has also worked very well, and so far I think there is absolutely nothing that can be added for the USDJPY because the market is indeed moving in a very strong bullish momentum, as you can see right here. So the best I can do actually for this pair is telling you to wait for the market. Again, I have moved now to the 15-minute time frame. So if you want to place another buy order for the USDJPY, then just wait for the market to make another pullback to fall for about 18 pips. Buying again at that level of a support right here at 136.550 is not gonna be a bad idea. So buy again at 136.550 is gonna be a good entry. And of course, we will maintain the same edge of the safe zone as well. And again, I don't think this is gonna even reach the safe zone again. The market is indeed moving in a very strong bullish momentum. Everything says bullish for the USDJPY. It seems really bullish. I don't even think that it's gonna even reach my entry. And of course, we will keep also the same take profit level, which means we are aiming approximately 114 pips profit from this signal. By the way, the pound USD is about to reach our entry. Even the Euro USD has almost touched our entry. So yeah, I need to post this video very quickly, my friends. Anyway, let's now move to the USDCHF. Where is the take profit level for the USDJPY? Exactly. Okay, let's now move to the USDCHF. Alright, so now for the USDCHF, we can see that the signal is indeed working very well and is currently in profit. But however, for the USDCHF, nothing will be changed, my friends. The market has indeed went inside of the edge of the safe zone and reversed. Again, it went below that level of a real resistance at 0.96571. Now we can expect from the USDCHF to be ranging inside this level of a real resistance. I think it's going to be ranging for a few hours before finally become in profit. Keep in mind that we're having here a support trend line, and that's the reason USDCHF is still ranging on it. But I believe strongly that the USDCHF in the end is gonna indeed continue the bearish movement based on that resistance trend line, and of course based on that very strong key resistance level horizontally. Anyway, let's now move to the gold. Alright, now for the gold, as we can see, the signal has almost worked. I mean, come on guys, you have to give it to me. The market has reversed just like 10 pips far away from the entry. That's come on guys, have some mercy on me here. I'm taking the credit of the signal, and I would say that the gold has indeed been triggered and currently running in 228 pips of profit. The next thing we can do actually with the gold, if I have moved here to the 15-minute time frame, by noticing here that we're having a quite strong support level exactly right here. Let me just be more accurate. Yes, perfect. At 1754.07. That's, my friends, gonna be a good level to start buying the gold again. Let me just write it for you to not waste your time. Buy again at 1754.07. And of course, we will maintain the same take profit level, but the safe zone this time is gonna be different. The safe zone is gonna be ranging till the lowest level of the support right here at 1744.63. Let me just draw for you the edge of the safe zone. And let me just tell you something. The gold, my friends, let me just, come on. All right. The gold, my friends, might actually be ranging here because we're having also a support trend line, as we can see, just like that. So most likely the gold is going to continue the fall till it reaches that level of a previous support. And of course, it's going to continue bouncing on that supported trend line. Hence, I believe the gold is actually going to continue the rise toward the final take profit level at 1770.00. I have one alert has been triggered. 1 second. Okay, let's just ignore that. Anyway, I believe that's everything for the gold, my friends, and hopefully everyone is gonna make us good benefits from these signals. I think the pound USD has already been triggered. Yes, it has already been triggered, as you can see. Check this out. The reversal has been so accurate. It's so accurate. Wow, check this out. The pound USD has reversed already from the level I have mentioned to start buying again. Oh my goodness, that's very nice. Yeah, even here for the Euro USD, it has already been triggered. The other signals are still going toward the entry. Anyway, I need to post this video very fast. Anyway, that's everything for this video. Hopefully, guys, you're gonna end this week in a very good profits, and hopefully all of us will enjoy a happy weekend. So until then, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.